All right, so we've done Flux and Qwen. Now let's try with WAN 2.2 text to image. We're using the same clothing and setting as we did with Qwen. Linda, the pirate queen. We should see the same result, except for the differences the models themselves gives naturally. Generating images using WAN 2.2 gives really good results, despite it being a video model. And again, we're using double API nodes to make sure the character data remains separate and clean. Generating images with WAN 2.2 is surprisingly fast, especially compared to the Qwen model. I want to take the time to address some of the things that people have asked about. Some have pointed out that the skin isn't hyperrealistic, or that if you generate the same image over and over, there might be small variation in how the clothes look. I cannot stress this enough. This system was not built to solve those specific issues. I feel that there's already solutions for those types of problems, and my hope is for this system to work, not only on hyperrealistic image generations, but with other styles as well, such as anime. If you have been working with AI images and animations for some time, I'm sure you already have a favorite LoRA or method to achieve things like skin texture. You can apply that same LoRA or method using this system. Our image is almost ready, and I expect the result to be beautiful. We'll see Linda, as we know her, with small model attributed variances compared with Flux and Qwen. And here she is, our own pirate queen. The image is the same person, closer looking to what we got from Qwen than with Flux. But again, this comes down to how the models were trained and the dataset they were trained on. But, as I showed with Qwen in the previous video, if you generate more images using Linda's character DNA, you will get the same person if you are using the same model, regardless of which setting and clothes you choose to use. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, or if you have any other requests or suggestions for videos, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment.